lava crew, to my lava who, my lava you, because I love you. Yes I do, yes I love you. Yes I do, say I love you. Yes I do. And on today, I have turkey legs and cauliflower rice with some VLenoir speckalicious sauce. But first, we gotta get the spotlight person in. So can you guess who it is? This is the way she does, she go. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. She may not do all that, but mukbang, bang, bang, bang. That's what I'm doing. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. And I'm gonna put our video right here. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. I gotta find some adjectives. I use absolutely in all my comments just about. And I use definitely too. Definitely a lot and absolutely. I gotta find. I really enjoy her channel. I really do. And I always think about it, especially at work this week, and I'll get into it a little later. But let's get into this food. I got a spoon for you. Cauliflower rice. And it's like, that's mid and big. I said I was going to put an egg with it next time I fixed it. I forgot. Because it really ain't about that. It's about that. And let me show you. I'm going to try to pick it up without losing it. Don't fall. Please don't fall. I know. Let me go tuck your neck. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see that steam coming off of there or not. Come on, because you're sleeping. Let's try to slip off the bone, y'all. It's been cooking all day. Let's go ahead and get that piece right there. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Y'all want the first bite? Yeah, I should have got y'all a bite when I was holding it up there. Y'all so selfish. Get your bite. Get that bite. Get it. Get it. Okay. My turn. And to drink, y'all know I got napkins on the side. Gotta have my napkins. I got my Flathead Lake again. Huckleberry. But when I went this last time, they had a new flavor out. It's the strawberry orange. So let's do the strawberry orange on video because I haven't done it on video. I've actually, look at that. I don't drink, but I do like that. When I had the little, I won't call it steam because it ain't hot. But the little smoke up in there. It's like a magic trick. It makes me happy. How was your day? Did y'all enjoy yourself? My day was long and tiring. Had some interesting moments, like 2 or 3 of them, most definitely. Interesting moments. Moments that probably would have made you cry, and I almost did. But outside of that, it was Snoozeville. It really was. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. I've been saying that since yesterday, since when I looked at the calendar and said, okay, I'm doing her. Mukbang. I'm stop. Check her channel out though, y'all. Go check her channel out. And I believe on Wednesdays she does videos that are about missing people. And bringing awareness to that. Awesome, awesome channel. I've been watching different stories like abducted in plain sight, and I ran across the Oakland, well, initially it was called the Children of the Snow. I was like, okay, so what's the Children of the Snow? And I clicked on it and watched it. But it was about the 4 children who were killed in Oakland, Michigan. And this was in the 70s. Matter of fact, a lot of these cases were in the 70s because, you know, in the late 60s and late 70s, a lot of stuff was very, very prominent because technology and the level of communication was just not as like it is now. At all, by no means. And people got away with a lot of stuff. They really did. You know what? That skin is, that may look burnt, but it's not. It was cooked in a crock pot. That skin is delicious. It got a crisp to it. Like the water didn't come all the way up on it. So this part was out of the water. And that skin is delicious. It got a nice little crisp to it. I don't know how I'm eating this because this stuff is hot, y'all. I want to see what it's going to taste like on this rice. On this cauliflower rice. Excuse me. I am really anxious about this weekend. Ooh, I'm gonna cut her lip. Look at that. Trying to cut a lip. Ew. If I do what I gotta do, then I should have to get a good bit of videos recorded this weekend. If I get on up and do what I gotta do. Happy Valentine's Day! How could I have forgotten that? Because I ain't put my decorations up. Don't worry. Hold on. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. Mukbang, bang, bang, bang. Nah, I got my decorations up. They up. I'm getting my money worth. It wasn't but it was something. I don't know. I say about $1 because I thought I got it at the dollar store, but I got that at Kroger. So it's probably not getting my money's worth. I gotta put that up for next year. Might need to just let it hang till next year. Hold on. Must be. Oh! Jesus. Okay. Nah. Now I got my decorations up. Happy Valentine's Day, y'all. Don't talk about it. Don't talk. This turkey leg so good. I stuck my whole hand in there. My whole hand. My whole hand. I'm trying to, I got some ideas for next month that I'm already hashing out. Already hashing it out. If y'all got something y'all want to see, let me know. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Get down in them comments. These are so good. My sister said I can't last the whole video doing this. I think I can. I have meat in my teeth. One day I'm gonna prove her wrong. And I'm gonna do this thing, you know, a whole video. Don't worry about it. I was about to get loud right then, but I ain't. I'm gonna keep it whisper. I think this is supposed to be coming, but I'm a little too hyper for it to be coming. Enjoy this turkey. And excuse me. That's chewing. Oh. almost got a little loud there. Don't let me get loud, y'all. We gotta keep this thing low. Low, low, low to the flow, flow. Get low, get low, get low, low, low to the flow. Get low, get low, get low, low, low to the flow. I really ain't had no caffeine today, but I guess cause today was such a Snoreville, I didn't get no energy out. And I thought I was sleeping, and I said I was gonna lay back there and take a nap before the video. I lay back there and watch the movies. Videos. Why do turkeys have so many of these? Have I ever eaten a whole turkey leg? I done dripped on my shirt. Look at that bone. Look at that bone. I had a dog. Well, it's a dog over there, but she can't do nothing with that. She ain't got no teeth. Yeah, y'all still see that one. But I just about killed this one back here. I have to do my normal voice. I have to do my ASMR whisper. Ooh, excuse me, Jesus. Just rude. Stop that. I had to talk to Casper. Where's Casper over there doing that? I forgot what I was about to say. I have to do ASMR whisper because I have to be able to say something. I can't just sit here the whole time and not say anything. I mean, I have done it before, but it just depends on what day it is. Like today ain't the day. Because today this sister feel like she just need to talk. And so I really ain't even talking about nothing, but I'm talking and I'm eating. And that's what y'all came here for, right? I promise I ain't had no caffeine. I drank a Sprite. Oh, I'm probably loaded up on sugar though. Which I ain't supposed to have, but forgive me, y'all. It's that time, you know, that time. That time right before that time. And the last 2 days, my body been telling me, eat. And it took a moment. And I had to figure it out. I'm like, why? It's why am I want to eat everything? And that's why. And I've been big on juice, like orange juice. Which ain't maybe it has a lot of natural sugar and natural sugar. And, well, I drank 3 this morning. That was my breakfast. And like I said, I didn't get that energy out because it was Snoreville. And then I turned around and drank a Sprite or two. I did. I might not have did much eating, but I did a lot of drinking. And yeah, I just drank those drinks right there. It's the sugar. It's the sugar, y'all. It's the sugar. I'ma crash. Don't worry. I got spots in my shirt. I be hot, y'all. Serious note though. Keep cooking with Tracy in your prayers. Just keep her in your prayers. Keep her in your prayers. Keep her in your prayers. Big B had his surgery. Big B Message had his surgery. I'm back on the 10th. The other day. Let him roll in your prayers too. And y'all, if y'all need prayer, let's just drop it down below. Message me, inbox me, something. I don't mind praying for folks. I sure don't. But those two right there, especially cooking with Tracy. She's going through right now. And just God just give us strength to go through until she don't have to anymore. And she has her healing that she so desires. I think I'm done. Woo! I didn't think I won't eat that. But I sure ate it. And it was so good. Don't forget to go over to Say Fixing Girls channel. Show me the like mukbang bang 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 mukbang bang 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 mukbang bang 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 mukbang bang bang mukbang bang 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 mukbang bang 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 mukbang mukbang bang bang bang. Go check our stuff out. It's addicted. I'll be seeing it all night. I really am. Last drink, last flathead lake. And I'm gonna get ready to get off this thing. I have a challenge coming up around here. A celebration to last throughout the year. And gotta be looking out for that. I may introduce it tomorrow. I should have introduced it tonight. But as y'all can see my mind and everything with all cross. Y'all like my decorations? I just got a glimpse of that. Oh Lord, help me Jesus. Mama, get ready to get off this thing. Go check out Feasting Girls. Comment, like, and subscribe. Tell your girl, VLenoir, sent you her way. Okay? And while you here, if you have not already, think about it. I want you to think about it. Hitting that subscribe button, liking this video, and coming out in the comments. Talk to a sister. Tell me something good. Ow, ow, ow. Okay? All right? Just come on down up and down. Just like that. This was so good. And I hope y'all had a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Valentine's Day. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my Valentine? What? I'm gonna do the other one. Okay. Y'all are the heartbeats of Victoria. My lava crew. tomorrow. Enjoy your evening. Enjoy your festivities. Whatever you got going on. If you're by yourself, enjoy yourself. Okay? Netflix and chill that thing. I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye. Nope. Until we meet again, same place, around the same time. May God bless you and keep you in perfect peace, y'all. Now bye. See you later. Toodles.